crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to semi-organize my crafty supplies. And in today's video, I am going to show you a project using recycled materials. So let's roll the camera so you can watch how I transform these container from the Chobani yogurt, how I will place the cabochons, and how I will put a film to cover it so when the recipient opens up they can get all the crafty goodies. So stay tuned and let's roll the camera to watch. Hello my crafty friends, so here I am using these recycled containers from the Chobani yogurt, and this is what we can do, right? If you are in swaps or group swaps or one-on-one swaps, instead of packaging your beads or charms or cabochons in like plastic bags like this, we can use these containers, right? We wash them, they're dry, and then use some shredded paper. So we're going to put together the container, and I'm going to come closer so you can see much better. Oops. Okay, so here we go. We have the shredded paper, and then I'm going to go into my little where I keep all these embellishments that I have purchased, or they were given to me in swaps. So I'm gonna put the big ones here. I have these acrylic ones too. Put another one here. These are like so darn cute. And another one. And another kitty cat. Okay. So I'm gonna put an eraser kitty cat, and then in the smaller compartment I am going to put some, I have these like little charms and beads. And ghosty beads, probably around here and around there. Another one here. Yeah, so I'm gonna close this up, and then what I did was I used the paper collection Fabulous from Simple Stories, which I love this pastelly ghosty, and I trace it, right? What I did was I put the paper upside down, I trace it, I cut it, and then I was thinking of stitching it, but it's just too much trouble. So what I did was I used some of my inks, and then like stress it, and then now we are gonna cover these, and we can use glue or tape. I would prefer to use tape because I want the recipient to be able just to pull it back and be able to not destroy the whole cover, right? Because they can use that cover to embellish other things. So I'm gonna put this here like that, and just put it like that around here. Okay, and then we need something on this other corner, which I can do. Okay, good. One more. Then I want this kind of open. So in my stash, I got some die cuts that I received in swaps. These Joann's dollar bean flower. I got these last year, I believe, from Target. Last year or the year before. So, and then I use one of the Prima Marketing, you know, flowers, which I cut it. And then we can put this boo or ghosty, but I need to anchor him. So I'm going to put something dark there. And then I was thinking, oh, I can use some of the ephemera from the collection, which is in here. Let me see. These are some of the pieces that I can use. Or I can use things from, I recently did like some mixed media things here and there. So I can cut a piece of this paper that I use just to create more texture, right? Create more texture. That's the whole point, to create texture, layers, so then we can probably put together these ghosty like that. No, I think I should put it around like this. Probably this. That. Yeah. So I can glue the ghosty, and then I probably am gonna put this one around here. And then this ghosty is kind of like naked, right? So I can use some jammies. Some jammies. Not on the ghosty, but probably on here. The O's. Another O. And what else? What else we can put here? I have this one somewhere. Maybe I can put it around here so we can get more color, right? I don't want to see the words, that's why I'm doing that. And then I can use this trim. And I'm thinking this flower is too big, but I can do it like this. Yeah. So I'm layering that. And then I am gonna glue it and then come back. So I came back and the ghosty was too kind of naked, so I decided to put some of these stickers that I believe was from Happy Halloween from crepe paper, and then use some of these other stickers from the Monster Mash collection. I know it's like a hush posh, but you can see the layering, the flower, the trim, jammies, another flower, another sticky, couple of rubber stickers here and there. So this is your container. Anyone move, and then you can give this to your swapping partner. So this is it. This is the project. Super easy to do using these type of recycled containers from Chobani yogurts, and putting together using your paper scraps, whatever you have on your stash, and layering kind of like cutesy. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.